a 2003 Volkswagen 1.8 turbo Jetta, and we're replacing the coil pack and also the spark plugs. So basically you have to take the whole engine cover off. There's a few Phillips head screws that pop out the little rivets. Pull it off. And then there's a bracket that's actually over coil number 4. So 1 through 4. Yeah. And then there's a cover.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then there's a cover on there. So basically you have to disconnect the connector in the back. There's a little piece that you pull up on to disconnect it, and you pull out. And you pull the coil out. We're going to put the new one in.
You're going to take out a spark plug.
And then we're actually also replacing the spark plugs.
See if it pulls out. You gotta look down on it. Can you see it? Let me see.
It's still connected.
Yeah, it's still connected. What we get? You gotta push down hard on it. You know what I'm saying? To get it out. You might just be spinning on top of this spark plug.
I think it's still connected.
Can we edit this out? Can you put 2 videos together?
No.
So we can, but we can edit this
Wow,
out.
you're already, really, no, we can't. We don't have editors. So basically we're going to have to...
There it is. That thing was dirty. And then NGK, no, we got some other kind. Here, baby. Take the cardboard off. Drop it in there. Did you already flip it? There we go. I just make these a little bit more than snug. Spark plugs. That's what I do. And once I get to about right there, I kind of right there, nice and snug, but not too tight. So that was the spark plug. This is our new coil pack, which is coil number 4. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. That's simple. And if you have a rough vital on your Volkswagen, this is probably what it is. These things tend to go out maybe every, one of them seems to go out like every 50,000 miles, I guess. Snap that back in just like that. I push them down, make sure they're nice and tight. That's it.